You still have the hiccups?
Yes.
Yay!
I don't know, why is your goal to make me have the hiccups? You're mean. That only usually happens when my hiccups. I guess not. I was gonna say stop, but I guess not.
This isn't even funny. Here, if you want the chicken.
I have violent hiccups. Until it turns to hiccup and burping.
Ah! No, that's my piece. Can have those.
It's hot.
The chair farted. It wasn't me.
You feel one coming?
You look like you're gagging.
My hiccups are violent.
Your house looks so nice in this camera.
Really?
Yeah.
My house looks nice.
Oh, look at this.
Oh.
It looks nice. Hot.
Oh, yeah. Oh! That made me choke on a piece of strawberry.
This is dry. It's meat.
Have you microwaved it too many times?
Come back. I want to see your hiccups. I only microwaved it once. I did it for a minute though. It might have been too long.
Do it for 20 seconds.
Just stare into the camera until you hiccup.
I think my hiccups are gone. And they're gone.
No. My laugh sounds like I'm crying.